Hello, let's unbox my Sephora package.
Actually, isa lang yung binili ko. And hindi talaga ako masyadong bumibili sa Sephora kasi mahal. Prefer ko ang Shoppers Drug Mart. But anyway, this is the main item I bought. This is their holiday must-have. I paid $78 for this. Tas ito yung mga laman niya. Actually, ang gusto ko is itong dalawa. Yung Huda tsaka yung Milk. And okay na din ito, yung Airbrush Flawless. Actually, parang halos lahat sila okay. Then my Fenty. Dito naman tayo sa freebies. I got the birthday freebie. Nakalimutan kong i-pick up. So, sinama ko na dyan. And then, I have this, I guess this is their hair care sampler. You get this when you spend $35. And then, meron tayong, ito, yung perfume sampler lang nila. Yan. And yung glow recipe. So, yun lang. Ito yung nasa box. Ito yung binili natin. And then, ito lahat yung freebies nila.